Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how basically we can create a bulk images to PDF application, desktop application using PyQT5 Python framework. So this will be the desktop application we will be building, guys. You can see the interface of this PyQT5. It's a desktop application framework for building desktop applications inside Python. So we have three options. We can basically choose a single file, single image file. It can be either JPG, PNG, depending upon whether you select it. So let's suppose I select this. This is my file, guys. You will see that. And if I select this image file, you will see it will be selected here. And now we can simply click this button, make PDF. So now you need to select a file output. So where we need to select? So we need to select a location here. I will be selecting the downloads directory. So hurrah, your PDF is ready. Go to your selected location. So now if I go to my selected locations, this file will be saved. And now you can see the PDF file is created. The image is successfully inserted right here. And we also have an option, guys, to basically select a folder where all the images are present. So if I go to documents folder and select this live shot, so you can see it contains all these images, light shot. And basically if I click make PDF, so I need to say here bulk. Again, I will select my same location. Alright, your PDF file is ready. So now if I choose, look at, uh, let me open that bulk one. You can see that. So now it contains multiple images, guys, because there were a lot of images which were present right here. So you can see all these images are exported successfully, and we are using pillow library in the background, guys, to basically do this process. So this is I have given the link in the description, guys. You can purchase the full source code of this application. So after you purchase it, you will get this directory structure. You just need to invoke this file, which is GUI underscore main, GUI underscore main.py. This is the actual file. Just write Python GUI main.py. So your application will launch here, and basically you can select a single file. You can select a directory where all your images are present, something like that. After you select the directory, it will basically put all the images which are present right here. You can even remove the images also by clicking any of the individual image. Click remove. So it will say, do you want to remove this image? We can say yes. So we can remove these images very easily like this. So you can see that. So we can remove these images very easily. So, and then we can also have a button clear all. So this will clear out all the entries like this. So this is a really nice application. If you don't know about this framework, guys, PyQt5, this is basically, it's a desktop application framework for building GUI kinds of applications. So we have built this application from scratch. So we are using a pillow library, guys, for this PIL. So before you launch this application, you must have pillow installed on your system. So there is a very simple command which is there, which you can use, pip install pillow. So just install this. So this was the application. The link is given, guys. You can purchase the full source code at a very reasonable price. This is a script that I'm giving you for that money. So thank you very much for watching this video.